Bom dia guys, so agora der sang how foi hader. Ida nem how morning routine em América. Normalmente how hader mai, how serviço uma cadeia cama, hamos, pokoknya hamos malam serne. Depois Matabisu ne how Doben Matabisu. Nyama sempre how Matabisu, depois how handet, como ohin how akara kato aprendo isat how café. Café Timor. Tamahamos gostamos cuma how lahat halo ida. E nia sempre Matabisu tu kan nia ba serviço depois kanan media lorai how gosta himo café depois café halo latenda. So oin how sunya Hanorin how so agora nia Hanorin how para halo café. So guys, let's do this. Okay, babe. Now, how we have machine to dulas café mo sanena nia tau e plastic nessa ne tamanya loke na galai. Então plastic nessa para taka halo magnetin para niya more niya lali ka side. Tama niya gusto los niya more niya. So for 2 people, how many scoop? 3, 4 scoop. Like this. 1, 4 scoop like that. 2. Him tot this scoop one. Okay, 4. Okay, lost the night and have buffer the I put it back inside.
Not the spoon.
Oh, not the spoon? Where did I put it? It's inside the plastic?
Yeah.
So I need to close it very well, just exactly how
You have to turn it first before you close it.
Oh, like, oh, I need to like fold it first, like this. Okay, thank you fold and so need to lie. Ne para niya be more in the side. And then
Not a spoon,
no?
just leave it out.
Okay.
We're gonna use it.
Okay, I'm gonna use it so so I'm gonna put it back in here. Okay guys, now do it mine.
And you can close the lid.
This lid. So agora já tá cá.
No, the other one.
Just plug it in?
Yeah.
Okay. So here and then
Push the button.
it's okay. Okay. Ina nesse halo taruh itu, okay guys. Satu, dua, tiga. Oops. Like this. Sorry guys. Okay, and then it's good.
Now, take one of these.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in it. Just one?
Just one.
Oh, it's a lot of them.
Yeah. The filter in the coffee cup.
Okay, I'm gonna in it down here. Like this?
Push it down.
Push it down. Like that?
You can take the whole coffee cup out
Okay.
if you want, or you can just pour it in there, like however you want to. Unplug it so that it doesn't turn
Oh
on.
shoot. Kalau tahu kafe nih, fakap nih filter lah.
Smack it a little bit. Smack it harder. There you go.
Kafe fakar itu bayi hemshino na.
Back in the box.
Ini tahu yang box sekarang. Yang box maknain
The outlet should be on top.
like this.
Yeah. And then put the spoon on top too.
Oh, spoon.
Yeah, put it back.
Where do I put it?
Put it there.
Okay. Thanks, baby. Ow, sorry.
And now, take
Guys,
the
how thing aras kalas.
cup with the coffee and shake it to even it out because I think it's like this.
Oh, this one?
The whole.
This one?
You see the little handles next to the filter? You can shake the whole thing if you can.
And then let's take this out first. Okay.
So it's even up there.
Let's even.
Yeah, that's good.
Mia karak tinggi be rata.
Now take
Agora
2
sério.
bottles of water.
Berua. Ang kulit ito parang Doben. Taga na ba eh? Ne?
And yeah, the whole thing.
The whole thing? Okay, then I will put. Baby, another one means idatan.
Idenene.
Idanene. No, idanene means this one. Okay?
There you go. Yeah, that's good.
Idatan. So I'm gonna close first. was a lot of steps.
Push the right button.
This one. That's it.
That's it.
Done. So simple sauce, guys. How lost din kata how lo gusto tin lai. How tin maybe how tin pas how karak mau tin. How sulan karak tin ba ema barbarak lai. Tama how lai ha. How lai skill ba ari tin niyan. So how agradece tama how ni Doben. Niya la gusta hamos. Niya karak tin ni. So how hamos niya how hamos. Sa amin completa malo. Pas. Obrigada ba maroma. So hot, yummy. A little bit over halfway.
Just
Is this good?
that's good.
Perfect. Matabisu, guys. Okay, for me, is that the
It was
same?
like 3/4.
3/4.
Because you like it.
That's right. How many spoons for you, baby? And
For
then
me, it's 3/4.
put till it full.
Yeah, but not overflowing.
Okay. Wow. Top. I cannot believe I just made this. Okay, agora mi highlight, okay? So, video maknede how say halo hoto nede tamba how prepara Matabisu hotona how to say so parabéns my how guys, parabéns my how. So agora mi Matabisu telai e minha cara retam video selo bel comia crai e mi comia crai mais ou menos how tem dia galera. Bye bye.